Good day guys, you're welcome once again to this training. It's Team Legend here. Now this is a training to teach you all how to convert any website or how to create an app. Okay, so you will need a site called appgesser.com. Okay, so this is the fastest and simplest app creator to your app making all right, so as you can see, I'm currently logged in. So if you enter the site, you need to create an account. So you create an account and log in. Okay, so let's go straight. Here is the menu. Now you can see you can also make games with this site. You can create a game. Okay, but now let's click on start now to begin the process. We want to actually create a chatting app. Okay, a chatting app, just like we have WhatsApp and all the rest. We want to create a chatting app. Okay, and that app is going to enable us be able to chat with friends and even make video calls with friends. That is what we're about to create. So just stay tuned, keep watching, watch and learn before you begin to implement. Okay, so as you can see, we have business, we have individuals. So to create what we want to create, we go to individuals. As you can see, we have free video calls and chats. That is what we want to work on right now. Free video calls and chats. You can see you can also convert any website into an app with this site. Okay, so now we're going to free video calls and chats. It's loading. Okay, now as you can see, it has loaded. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to click on next. Okay, sorry, wait, click on next. It says AppGesser is introducing a new app template for the video calls. Click on next. Okay, now when you click on next, now template description. Okay, light theme chat background. Let's add a chat background. Okay, so you can actually add whatever you want to add. All right, you can add whatever you want to add. Okay, you can add any photo or anything you would love it to be the official background of individuals chatting. Okay, so this is actually meant to be a light background, but I'm just using my logo just to show you guys. So when you're creating your own, you should use a light background so that when people are chatting, their text can be showing plain. Their text can be plain and clear. Okay, so instead of using a dark background, use a light background. Okay, you can choose the color of the theme of your app. Okay, the body of your app, just like we have WhatsApp is white and green, so you can actually choose any color here of what your app would look like. Okay, so you can preview if you want to preview, but for now I'm not previewing so that this video wouldn't be so long. Okay, so I'll click on next. Now the next thing you want to do is to give your app a name. Give your app a name. Let's say this is the last app I created, TL Online Creativity Charts. Okay, so let's say what do we name this app now? Okay, let's say TL Charts. Okay, let's say TL Charts. All right, we click on next. So make sure when you are creating your app, create it to be the best. Okay, I'm just rushing all these ones because I just want to show you guys how it goes, and also at the same time I don't want the video to be too long. So let's upload a photo, and what we're about to upload is the official logo of your app. Okay, just like we have WhatsApp, you know the logo of WhatsApp, so whenever you see the logo of WhatsApp, you know it's WhatsApp. Like Facebook is F. Okay, so this is the official logo of your chat app. Okay, now we are done. We've dealt with the description, settings, name and icon. Now click on create. My network is a bit slow. Our app is actually creating, that is why it's also taking time. Okay, now click on download, this download icon, click on it. Download icon, you can see it, click on it, and then you need to scroll down. Okay, as you can see, our app is being created 100%. all right, so when your app is created to 100%, next thing we want to do is to download our app, right? So we'll click on publish. Okay, these are some things you also need to read in order for you to know how to upload your app into Play Store. Okay, so now we'll click on download. You can see this download icon, you click on it, the latest version of your app is ready. Okay, so there will be a pop-up. It says this type of file can be harmful to your device, just ignore it and click OK. All right, the app is good to go. I have created so many apps and I've been using it. It's not harmful to my phone at all. Okay, so the app, okay, as you can see, the APK has just downloaded. The next thing is to do what? To click on open, and then you click on install. Okay, so but I'm not gonna install it now because I already have some of this. I've created a chat app for myself already, which I don't want to add an extra one, but I'll just show you my app so far. As you can see, this is the app I created last, TL Online Creativity Chats. As you can see, okay, let me open it for you guys so you see how I've been using it to chat with some of my pals. As you can see, this is a chat app. I've been using it to chat with some people. We also do video calls. Okay, so if you have gone through this training, congratulations. Alright guys, I believe you must have learned a lot on this training today. So I guess by now a lot of you must have started practicalizing it and creating your own chat app. Okay, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because it's my official YouTube channel. So even after the whole training, you will still be learning a lot more from me, from the free videos I do post. So hit the subscribe button now. Thank you.